Hello, my name is Alyssa Gwynn, and I picked Nearpod as my item. So, what is Nearpod as a site? It is a interactive learning platform. It has multimedia lessons like slides, videos, and quizzes. It is free for all students and teachers, but it does have pro functions that teachers will have to pay extra for, but the students do not. It has built-in assessments and has a library of pre-made lessons so that it makes it easier on us so we don't have to pick all the lessons. For classroom integration, you can start lessons with interactive slides, use polls to check understanding in your students, add quizzes for quick assessments, assign student-paced activities, and encourage collaboration with draw and open-ended tasks. You can also do your entire slides on Nearpod to make it easier, so you don't have to switch from PowerPoint to Nearpod back to PowerPoint all the time. And some other functions and features are like Time to Climb, which is the game-based quiz that me as a student, when I was in class, I really loved this feature. It would throw the questions on like you see on the screen, and you would have your little character would go up the hill, and whoever answered quickest would go higher up the hill. And correct answer, of course. They have a collaborative board, which are basically digital sticky notes, so you post your question to the students, and then below that they can write out their responses, and it encourages interactive stimulation, and it has immersive audio experiences, which makes the students in turn more focused on the work. Okay. So this is Nearpod. So this is the one section of it that I'm already halfway in. So you would click here. This is where you would build a lesson. You would click here, which I already have. And then you would click your type of lesson. So social studies, science, math, and ELA. This is for grades K through 12. Then you pick your grade. And then you pick whatever assignment or whatever, what's it called? Type of thing you are covering that time, or you can make your own. I'm just going through an example. And so once you're in there, it has instructions. This is on the student side right now, and it says say the name of each item. Listen carefully for the sounds that make of each letter makes as you say the name. Then at the end of each word, complete each word by dragging the correct letter to add the missing beginning or ending sound. Remember, identifying and ending sounds will help you become a better reader. So on the teacher end, it does look like this, and you can change your slides here from first to second. You can see where your students would sign in. You would have to let them in, and then when you have students in there, it will show up along here what your students have done. And so they can, for example, move the S up to there. This is a drag and drop. So, yeah, that's this. And then you can start from here. You click Launch the Lesson Builder, and it has create your lesson from scratch, Google Slides, Nearpod library, and uploading your own lesson. You can also, for example, have this as a drag and drop for a math class. So you can do linear, you can basically do it for everything. And then there is Time to Climb, which is for a lot of students some of their favorite things to do in my experience with Nearpod. Time to Climb. So this is on the teacher side. So when it pops up, it has all of the different themes you can do. It's a speed-based question game, so students earn additional points for how quickly they answer it. You can randomize them, you can pause game in between questions for discussion, and you can play sounds for all students. So then once all the students join in, you click start the game, and it shows you it shows the student's score and then what they answered on an average on a pie chart. And then it will show your students the questions like you saw in the screen share. So yeah, this is Nearpod.